Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up auto deposit on Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Scotiabank app and make sure to be logged into your account. Once you're inside here, on the bottom of the screen you'll be seeing bunch of options. Simply tap on the more option that is on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to this more settings page, right? And now on the top of the options you'll be seeing an option that says profile and settings. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to this profiles and settings page. And now here on the settings you'll be seeing an option that says manage auto deposit. Tap on that, and once you're inside here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now all you gotta do is just tap on set up auto deposit, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now simply enter in your email and then select your account where you want to deposit the money to, and once you are done with that, check this small box to apply with the terms and conditions, and once you are done with that, register email. Here your email will be registered. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email. Simply open up, and then you'll be seeing an email provided by the Scotiabank to verify your account. Now all you gotta do is just open up that email, and you'll be seeing two options, that is complete registration and decline registration. All you gotta do is tap on complete registration, and once you tap on complete registration, you'll be sent back to the page, or you'll be sent back to your browser, and there your auto deposit setup will be completed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.